traders, I'll try and keep this simple. US30. This is really overextended here, and now trading into a big resistance level. This is external range high that has been taken out right there. What I'm getting at is big money accumulates down here, right? Discounted, it rallies, and this is a perfect level where there would be, I would imagine, an adequate liquidity for these orders to pair. All right, so or put it simply, they buy down here and possibly unload here, and so this is overextended. You want to be really careful, guys. Look at this. Look at this price action. Compare this rally here with how price has moved. Okay, rally, retrace, expansion, retrace, expansion, retrace. This is the kind of price action that I want to get involved in. If we go back further, just have a look and see where, wherever you see a rally that's overextended, like here, for example, always get the pull back into equilibrium. That's overextended, it pulls back. This one here, overextended bearish, okay, it pulls back. Wherever you want to go, have a look. Let's just go back down in here. I mean, look, this is the kind of price action I really like to get involved with. It's trending higher highs, higher lows. It pulls back, you get long, and happy days, right? Now, coming back to what I was talking about, see this rally, really significant move from here to here. Well, there's a pullback into equilibrium. There's a significant expansion. It pulls back. Okay, I'm always looking for the trend to do what a trend usually does, expands and retraces, right? And what we don't have here is a significant retrace. And looking back, I don't see any move like that hasn't had a decent pullback. Now, it's the same story. We could go to the US 500 here, the S&P. Look at it. It's hitting this level, eating up any buy stops that are sitting up in here, and it's overextended well and truly. The NAS, it's the same story across the board. So, I'm looking at the US30 mainly, I think, with this video. And to be honest, guys, I don't want to trade. I don't want to buy at that level. That'd be high risk. I mean, it could, range sideways and continue up for all I know, but I just don't like what I'm seeing here. Given that every time when you look back, when it expanded like that, at some stage you see it turn around. So yeah, I'm not looking to get long, especially when it's trading into something like this. Now, the thing with this is if this retraces, it's going to impact everything across the board, right? So, if you've been like short, say, Aussie yen, the yen would be weak against that. So you'd be long, say, the Aussie yen, the yen pairs, you'd be long here. Well, most likely they'll turn around if this pulls back. Now, my bias with the stock markets is pretty bullish, mainly, right? So I'd be looking for a bullish opportunity if it pulls back and holds, and then we get another shot at it, right? But I want to see, if we pull a Fibonacci, I want to see a move back down. And if it does pull back, then, let's get involved with it. But not at that level for me at the moment. What else can I say? This is just telling me to stay out of the market, basically. This is high risk. And look, you could counter trend trade it. Good luck to you if you want to counter trend. Here's the thing, right? Let's just grab the pencil again. There's a trend. All right. I'm a trend continuation trader. Why? Because you've got that opportunity. The counter trend gives you that. Very high risk and very little in it. I want that. All right. So I'm looking for the pullback, and I'll get interested around here. So I think that's probably not a bad way to end the video. At the moment, no go. And, it's just as important to know when to stay out of the market. And for me, I'm not interested. I want to see the pullback, and then I'll look to get involved if it retraces and we see a bullish break of structure, something like that. All right, guys. Look, I mean, I'd really love your comments below. Definitely let me know what you think. That would be awesome. I'm just going to label that liquidity. Let me know what you think in the comments, and yeah, share your thoughts. Imbalance. No, sorry, wrong one. Liquidity. And yeah, look, with that, I'm staying out of the market today. I'm not trading. I just want to wait for the right opportunity, because I think if this pulls back, everything's going to reverse. And I've been seeing too many midweek reversals, right? Trend continuation, wait for the opportunity. It's worth it. That's a good note to end on. So guys, with that, comment below. Hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.